Hi friends, welcome to Global Tech Code channel. Today we are going to see about what is combinator selector in CSS. It will select the styles based on the elements relationship. It comes under 5 categories, that is element name with class selector, child selector, descendant selector, adjacent sibling selector, gender sibling selector. Let's see with example. Before start a video, if you are a new user to this channel, please subscribe this channel. I have created one HTML file and CSS file. Inside that HTML, I have given title, head and body. In head, I have linked my CSS file. And inside that body, first I have given h2 element, then div, and inside that div, I have given paragraph. I'm going to apply the style for this paragraph using this class name and element name p. Let's see the code. p.className. I have given the styles. Let's see the result for this code. Yeah, now this background color is applied for this one. So first selector is completed. Next one, child selector. Child selector means if you are going to apply the style for one element, that element containing the child, direct child, that only apply the style. For example, I am going to apply the style for paragraph inside the div, means it will apply this paragraph only. This one, it's not apply that style because it's not the direct child of div one. Let's see the code. Here we can use greater than symbol. Div greater than p, and inside that you can apply whatever the styles you need, like that. Let's see the result. So direct child of paragraph only apply the color, and inside this paragraph it's not getting the color. Okay, that's it. Next one, descendant selector. Descendant selector means it will apply all the elements inside the element which we are mentioned. It may be the direct one or indirect child. Okay, I'm going to apply the style for this one, article, and inside the paragraph. Here we are using space only. Article, space and paragraph. So all the paragraph inside the article element, it will apply the style. Maybe it will under the span or anything inside the span also it will apply the style. So here two paragraph also apply the style. Let's see the another one, adjacent sibling selector. That means if you are going to apply the style for next element of current element, you can use the selector. So I'm going to apply the style for paragraph next to this div. So let's see the code. So div plus p. This is the result for this code. So first div, next paragraph, it will apply the style. Next, gender sibling selector. Gender sibling selector means it will apply the style for next all the element from current element. So I'm going to apply the style for all the h3 element after this article. Let's see the result for this code. So here all the h3 elements gets the background color. That's it. Now you can refer the sample code in GitHub. I have this link in description, and also this video available in Tamil language. If you need, you can refer the link in description. Thanks for watching.